Meanwhile, India is turning its nuclear capabilities in a different direction. India's nuclear strategy is now focused more on China than Pakistan. That's according to a new report that looks at India's latest moves to bolster its defenses and its deterrence. Remember, India's nuclear doctrine remains unchanged. India follows a no first use policy. But the best strategy is one that can defuse crises without any fire. Our next report tells you how India is preparing for that.
3 years ago, India tested the Agni-5 missile. Its success was a boost for India's defense capability. But one country didn't like what India was doing: China. Chinese state media outlet The Global Times published this: India needs to cool its missile fever. It says India has broken the UN limits on its development of nuclear weapons and long-range ballistic missiles. The article goes on to argue that Pakistan should have the same privileges in nuclear development that India has. The write-up looked like a defense of Pakistan. But there was more to it. The words betrayed China's fears. China is worried about India's missile capabilities because the Agni-4 as well as the Agni-5 can hit targets within mainland China. This includes Beijing. Experts who have closely studied India's nuclear program confirm this. It is no longer focused on just Pakistan. India is now developing capabilities to deploy nuclear weapons against China. All three branches of India's defense forces have a role to play in this new strategy. On the air front, 3 of 4 squadrons of the Mirage 2000 and the Jaguar have been assigned nuclear strike missions against Pakistan and China. India is all set to induct the Rafale aircraft too, a fighter jet that can be used for nuclear missions. On land, the Agni-4, if deployed in northeast India, can hit targets like Beijing and Shanghai. The Agni-5 is much more capable. It can hit targets in China from bases in central and southern India. On the high seas, India is developing a submarine-launched ballistic missile, something that matches the design of the Agni-5. This new missile will allow Indian submarines to target all of Asia. To back the new strategy, India is increasing its nuclear arsenal. Reportedly, India has developed 150 nuclear warheads. 48 nuclear bombs have been assigned to aircraft with the Indian Air Force. While India maintains the no first use policy, it is arming itself to remain a compelling deterrent for any kind of adventurism from the neighbors. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.